How to use Netflix secret genre codes. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can use Netflix secret genre codes. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, you have to open up a browser, head towards the search bar, then you have to type in www.netflix.com/, then you have to type in browse. Again, go to slash, then you have to type in genre slash. After that, you have to type in the secret code. For example, if you want to watch any action movies, then the secret code will be 1365. Once you do that, you have to search for this. After that, if you have not logged in, you may be prompted to log in. If you have already logged in, you will land on the action movies as you can see here. So to watch, you must have to log in. So in the similar way, there are some other codes that you can try. If you want to go for some romantic comedies, then you have to type in 5475. If you want to watch horror movies, then in this code section, you have to type in 8711. 8711. So if you try it, you will get the horror movies. Similarly, if you want to watch anime, then type in 7424. Or if you want to go for supernatural thrillers, then type in 11140. So you could try all these codes. So that's the way to use Netflix secret genre codes. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.